Topic detail. Introduction to data processing. Define the terms I, data, and 2, information. Describe data processing. Explain the meaning of information processing. WASSCE 2019 Question 8. Identify the relationship between data and information. Differentiate between data and information. WASSCE 2022 Question 3 Computer Studies. List 3 examples of information. WASSCE 2022 Question 4 Computer Studies. Definition of data. The term data means any basic fact which may be input to some processing system. A processing system is one where computations, comparisons, and general manipulation of data are done. The processing may be people or machine, for example, computer. Information, on the other hand, is the end result of a processing system. The relationship between data and information involves the sequential and logical flow of data from input to processing and to output. What is data processing? Data processing is the task of using a collection of basic facts to produce information. Fact usually has no value in itself until it is subjected to analysis, validations, and comparisons with other data to produce result, or information. For example, a collection of heights of individuals do not turn to useful information immediately for decision making until it is processed. However, when the set of data is processed, such as searching for individual with a maximum or minimum height or the height of all concerned in the study, information is produced. Management can decide on the basis of each information to assign special duties to the fellow with the maximum or minimum height. Other uses could be made on such information depending upon the situation prevailing in the organization and their special needs. Therefore, data processing is an operation on computer data which involves the entering, sorting, updating, and retrieval of information using computer. Define information processing. Information processing is the manipulation of data to produce useful information. It involves changing information detectable by an observer. That is, taking raw information and making it more useful by putting it into context. Examples of information. Some examples of information are area of a circle, circumference of a circle, perimeter of a rectangle, etc. Mention 5 properties of data. Highlight the stages involved in data processing cycle. List 3 elements of data processing. State 3 activities in data processing. Properties of data. Precise, complete, accurate, purposeful, assigned. Data processing cycle. The data processing cycle describes the stages of data processing. It involves the following stages. Data collection. The process of gathering facts and figures from various sources is called data collection. It is all about collecting information so you can analyze it and make sense of it. WASSCE 2019 Question 2. Data gathering. Data collation. Input stage. Processing stage. Storage stage. Output stage.